Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So I got a new side job at the house. We have a 2021 or 22 and 21 or 22 Mercedes Sprinter Patriot camper van. And I had to take the gas door off, which is right here, to go get a color match from the paint store. And I'll just slap that back on. A couple of torque screws hold it in place. So yeah, I had to go get a color match because I gotta fix this crack. Here, and just run a step pad and paint it, and then you walk to the back, and I got a couple more repair spots. See this back door? See that dent, and it's folded, and this dent here. So I got to repair and paint that. Oh, and the bumper here, scraped up. Paint that bumper. So that's what I'm about to start working on today, and it is super hot. This thing is basically a house on wheels. Also, he's got a new awning that he wants me to paint to match. Yeah. This is just the inside of it. Man, it's a nice camper. Super nice. Automatic doors. Fancy, fancy. Nice color seats. Captain's chairs. So, yep. And I have his new awning in my carport. Had my sons just help me carry the thing over there. The thing was super heavy. I'll show you. Let's take a walk to the carport. It is hot up here in Jersey today. It's supposed to be like 97. Yeah, it's supposed to be like 97. And then like Monday and Tuesday, they're calling for like 100. I hate that kind of heat, especially when you're in the body shop. Dusty and hot. But here at the carport, here's the new awning. And I gotta paint it to color match, which won't be hard. And take the plastic off, scuff and shoot. It's even hotter in the carport right now with the sun beating on the thing. Super hot in here. But that's the new side job. Here are the kids enjoying the pool. What's up? Y'all having fun? Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe.